drifts softly through the air. The world feels dim without you, lost in despair. I miss you more than I can bear. I stand here cold in morning air. You told me someday I'd learn to let go at last. Life without you feels hollow and cold and vast. As the clouds drift onward, fall and go, and I grieve deeply as I give up all. Even though we're done, you are there. In my hidden mind, I still miss you. May all the things I cherish them be gone for good. Winter nights breathe quiet longing. As winter comes anew, my Sally blooms, while winter birds home again, but never you. Even Mom keeps asking about you. Heartbroken son, no words and no clue. Through December's dark chill, the ice stays frozen. The one who held me close has now gone far away. I miss you as I did yesterday. See you once only to say goodbye. Even though we're done, you are there. In my hidden mind, I still miss you. May all the things I cherish then be gone for good. Winter nights breathe quiet longing. The one I grew close to only to part.